Hey guys, Captain here. Got a quick one for you. I'm going to demonstrate what the heavy lifting racks do in my templates. So if you open any of the studio templates, because this does require Max for Live, so this is not going to work on standard versions. If you click the master channel, you'll see a heavy lifting remote. And what this does is it remotely maps to all of these items inside the bus routing. So if you need to save CPU, say for whatever reason this is taking up too much of your CPU, you can work without it. And all those plugins and effects will be disabled, and so will the whole chains. Now, what this does is if you look in bus routing, you'll see the actual heavy lifting, and that gets copied every time you move it around. So, for example, let's see. So the side chain, you notice this is the track spacer. This on-off is actually controlled by Ableton, or controlled by Max for Live in heavy lifting. Same for the clipper in the Vox bypass, the clipper in the sub in, the clipper in the Vox in. Let's see what else we've got controlled here. We have all the gatekeepers are controlled by that one switch. And then we've got more clippers, the drum bus, and then finally the whole drum bus, as well as the clipper inside the drum bus. And then on the pre-master, it's also got the standard clip there. So yeah, that's what the heavy lifting remote does. It turns those on and off so you can either A/B your track with and without them and without the changes, or if you're CPU starved, you can always turn that off too. As always, if you got any questions, please feel free to reach out, and thanks for watching.